Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to share personalized videos through Salesforce. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is the edit section of the video that I selected to make this example. And you can basically just click on any videos that you have on your library to access this section. Okay, so what we can see on the left-hand side is the customized options, and you can see the header, which is basically the title. We can see the message that goes right below the video, and we can also see the call to action, which is basically the button that we have at the very bottom. Okay, so if you haven't seen this before, what we do have here at Sendspark is the ability to use variables, which are merge tags. That's how we call them. So you can, whenever you click here on any of the options, header, message, you'll notice that the personalized drop-down menu comes available. And if you click there, you will have here the three options to select from. So first name, company name, and job title. If you do click on any of the variables that you have added here, you'll notice that you'll have this little modal coming up, and you'll have the option to put a fallback text just like here, as you can see on the title. So this will be, of course, replaced whenever you're sending the video through Salesforce, but it will basically, we can read this as hey, Dan, or if we haven't actually used the contact field in Salesforce, it will be just replaced with the fallback text. So be sure to use the fallback text that you want. Like I said before, simply make a click on the merge tag or the variable, and you'll be able to edit this section. Okay, so it is very important also to have a call to action. Be sure to just toggle this on to have that available. Okay, and also actually we're done. We're done with this section, so this is all good. So let me show you. Let me go here to Salesforce now and start working on this side. So because I'm just making an example, I'll simply send a single email to a specific contact that I've created for the sake of this tutorial. So let me go to contacts here, and I have here this contact which is called Dan Test. Okay, so as you can see, I have filled out all the fields available, and for instance, we have here name, Dan Test, we have title, IT support. So this title section is what we have here at Sendspark called, or actually under the title of job title. So be sure to fill this out so you can of course take advantage of all the variables that we have. Okay. So once we have everything filled out and we have selected the contacts that we will use, in this case, I'm just sending a single email to a specific contact, so I'm not doing a campaign, a full campaign. If you do go for the full campaign, you'll have more options, such as the company field, which is not available whenever I'm sending a specific email to one single contact. So in this case, I'm selecting this contact is the one that I'm using. I can click here on send list email, and let me put here test 101 for the subject. And what we want to do here is click on this little picture icon, click on web image. Okay, go back to Sendspark, and now we can start working on the share video options. So you'll notice that we have this title share with personalization. And what we have here below is all the shortcuts to copy the code that we will use when sending emails through different CRMs. In this case, of course, we're working with Salesforce. So we can click here on edit or add, look for Salesforce, and you'll notice we have three options. So we only need the first two, which is the image URL and the video URL. Okay, so be sure to you'll see them like this, of course. So be sure to check mark them, and click on Save Changes so we can see them under the shortcuts. And we'll start by making a click here, and you'll notice you'll have this banner coming up. Code has been copied. Perfect. Let's go back to Salesforce and paste the code right here under Enter Image URL. Insert. And now we need to make a single click on the video, and you'll notice that it will look like this, a little bit like highlighted, if we can say that. We now need to click on the chain icon, go back, click on Salesforce video URL, go back to Salesforce, and be sure to, this section, be sure to erase this, paste it right there, click on Save. We can leave the other field empty, no worries on that. And now we're actually ready to send the email. Okay, so it is as simple as that. Please do let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye bye.